Welcome to your Brain's Toolkit, a video about the essential role of mental models. Daily decisions are often guided by unexamined habits. Mental models provide structured, repeatable thinking processes, acting as checklists for your brain to enhance decision-making and problem-solving. We need to go beyond mere intuition and introduce structure. Haphazard cognitive habits lead to biased and superficial decisions, including pitfalls like misallocated rigor. Mental models replace guesswork with deliberate and effective processes, moving us toward organized and clear thinking. Mental models are crucial for navigating complexity in decision-making and problem-solving. Decision frameworks help us choose optimal paths under uncertainty. Problem-solving tools diagnose root causes, moving beyond just treating symptoms. These models range from OODA loops for speed to first principles for innovation. Systems thinking helps master dynamics by revealing interconnected dynamics and feedback loops. It moves beyond linear cause and effect to understand emergent behavior. Clear communication is also vital, with models like the Minto Pyramid, ensuring clarity and impact when conveying complex ideas. To optimize your mental toolkit, first identify the cognitive challenge to select the right framework. Use these frameworks to stress test your intuition and reveal blind spots. Finally, combine various tools into powerful workflows for comprehensive and effective solutions.